Hello friends, and welcome to this very short video, just following up on a live stream you just watched. And if you haven't watched it, check out the video in the description or somewhere above my head. All right, last we left off was we couldn't set up Systems Manager automation to tag Elastic IP addresses in our account. We couldn't figure it out on a live stream, but here's the solution. Let's do it together. All right, let's go into the Systems Manager documentation, the System Manager dashboard, and head over to the Documents resource. Click there and go to Create Document and make sure to select Automation. Now, in the automation part, give it a name, right? This is going to be a document that you're going to create and you can reuse across your account. Tag unused Elastic IPs, very good. And we're going to be using the editor. Actually, we're going to be editing the JSON here to create this document. As you can see me fast forwarding through a bunch of stuff. I'm adding assume roles, parameters, different parameters we're going to be using here. So as you can see, resources, automation assume role, and most importantly, tags. Once that is done, I actually go ahead and set up the main step. It just has a single step, which is tag Elastic IP addresses. And as you can see, I also struggle with YAML. Well, let me fix some of the YAML, but here is the actual code. Very importantly, resources, a string list. This is the Elastic IP allocation IDs. Assume role. This is the role you're going to give Systems Manager permission to run this against, and tags, the actual tags we're going to be using. All right, create that, go to Owned by Me, and go to where you can find your little document, click on it, and go execute automation. Let's add the parameters. Number one, parameters. The resources. This is the Elastic IP allocation ID. If you go to Elastic IPs and you will find that allocation ID, you can just copy it. It starts with EIP alloc and a bunch of numbers. Paste it here. We're going to tag that Elastic IP. The tags. This is important. This format is what you need. So this specific format is required to be able to do this. Give it a role it can assume, and if that is all good, I think it is, let's go ahead and click execute. Hopefully, in a couple of seconds, we should be successful. And we are. Look at that. Let's actually go ahead and check this. Go back to the Elastic IP address, check out the tags, no tags, right? Let's refresh and see, does this work? Maybe, I don't know, tags, look at that. The cost alert tag is there. Wonderful, great. Now, let's move on to config. Config is this thing that's gonna help us actually do this automatically. Go back to a rule here that detects non-attached Elastic IPs. You can see we have two of them. Cool, let's set up a remediation. Select a rule, click actions, and manage remediation. We're going to select a specific, basically, document here. I'm going to type it tag. I think I'm going to type tag. Yeah, look at that. Tag unused Elastic IPs, right? And automatic remediation. Cool. What it's going to do, basically, whenever it detects, it's going to tag. Resource ID parameter, make sure to select resources. This is what it's going to pass on from config. Automation assume role, that's the ARN. But first, let's add the tags we want to use. Basically, it's going to be the same tag format we used in the past. And the rule is just needs to be an ARN, right? Passing an ARN, that's it. Click Save Changes. And now, during the next evaluation, right? Once we run the evaluation, again, AWS Config should actually execute the automatic remediation as well. And we're going to see this in a moment. Back to Elastic IPs, view, we're going to run the reevaluation once again. So if I remember to go there, click reevaluate. So it's going to run the reevaluation thing once more. And if you scroll all the way down, and in a moment, action executed successfully. That means the document has been successfully executed. Worked the first time, apparently, which is really great. The resource still is going to be non-compliant, which is fair. But if you go back to the actual Elastic IP address and check it out once again, look at that, there's tags. And if we go to the other Elastic IP address, there's more tags. Glorious. Well, that was it. That's how you set it up. I'm going to make sure to leave the code in this post above. So if you want to go and copy paste it, go check it out. It is there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next live stream of Build On Weekly.